What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I made the hot compost pile. It ended up getting up to about 130 degrees for 2 or 3 days, and now the temperature's down. I actually needed to turn it a little sooner, but it's been a little over a week, about 9 days. I think it's sitting at 80. I'll show it to you real quick, but now I'm going to pull it out, add a little bit more grass clippings to hopefully crank that temperature back up. Pretty awesome how fast that fills up. Removing the compost thermometer, I'm going to take all the browns, throw it onto this tarp, and then I have some greens from cutting the grass yesterday, and I'll mix it all back together. Okay, so I still have just a little bit of the pine straw and the thicker wood down at the bottom. I'm going to loosen that up, add just a little bit more of this pine, and then I'll start incorporating the grass clippings. And then I'm going to incorporate water with every level. I even have a few food scraps and some coffee grounds. I'm going to add that to the pile too. I still don't have enough grass clippings, but this is going to have to work for right now. And you can kind of see how the material is breaking down with the grass clippings that I added before. Yeah, I told you I was still short a little bit of the greens, the grass clippings, but that's going to have to work for now. I plan on dethatching the yard, so I should get a whole bunch of grass when I go for that dethatching. So that will definitely help add more volume to this. Okay, last bit of water. I may actually get just a little bit more. So you can see the temperature is about 70. you get the most accurate reading from this lower part. So the very first time I pushed the thermometer all the way in, and it was basically down to the ground, which is a little too far. Once I pulled it up, it was in the center of the pile, and that's when it gave it its warmest reading. So when I pushed it in, so to about right there, it's in the middle area of the pile. Good. Let's see if I can get down there. So the tip of it's probably about right there. So I put the compost thermometer back in. You don't want the compost thermometer all the way down at the bottom, because the bottom's going to not be as warm as the middle. So what you're trying to do is get that tip right into the middle area, and mine's located right about there. So I think it's 18-inch thermometer, so I only have maybe about 4 inches sticking out the top of the compost pile, kind of the sweet spot. That really heated up great the last time, but I had like double the amount of nitrogen grass clippings. As I said, I plan on dethatching the yard, so that should definitely help get some more. And then I do have even some other carbon, so if it seems to get too hot or it seems to get smelly or soupy, I can add more carbon to balance it back out. And there you go, you can see it went from 70 degrees ambient temperature to around 76, 78. So it's already increasing, being back into the pile. Hopefully those microbes can build with the aeration that we just gave it, and then also the water, because that's what it needs. It needs air and it needs water to be able to go ahead and multiply. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the video, everybody. Have a great day.